Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. Today, have a look here. It is cloudy weather today and I am just walking here, and today's topic is, don't think that I'm going to waste your time to talk about these kind of things about the nature. No, I'm going to talk about a very crucial topic, which is repetition. You know, when we speak English language, so repetition is important. The more we will speak, the more we will repeat the sentence, the more fluent we become. So, you know what? English asks repetition. See what happens actually. We speak English language, we just try to speak. We are unable to speak, but we try to speak. We try, we speak, and there are a lot of things to talk about. And we talk about so many things. Day by day we speak, and the people who are not able to speak, after some time when they will start their journey of speaking English language, then they will start speaking. And when we speak, so sometimes what happens, like we speak daily life conversation and we think that now we are able to speak English language, and then we think that now there is no need to be worried about that. No, we don't have knowledge about English language, how to speak or what to do, what not to do. No, there are still a lot of things are left to learn to speak. And the people who think that after just become a little fluent at English, like now I am able to speak some of the things I can speak, and whatever I'm speaking every single day, I am having the conversation, different kind of conversation, and I am speaking. So they think that we are able to speak. My friend, there are a lot of things are left in English to talk about. I mean, there are a lot of things to talk about in English language. It asks repetition. For example, today I learned something, and today I am just speaking about that thing. So if I will not practice the same thing tomorrow, if I will not repeat the same thing after some time, so I will have to face problems. I will have to struggle while speaking. I'll have to think a lot that what to speak, how to translate, what to do, what not to do. The point is that if the same thing we will not talk about after some time, then we have to struggle while speaking, then we have to face problems while speaking the same thing. Repetition matters while speaking English language. If you are learning English language, whatever you are learning, whatever conversation you are having, just speak, try to speak that thing, try to repeat that thing again and again. The more you will repeat, the more fluent you will become. Getting the point? And some of the people may have come here to check their English language. They will be comparing their English language, like, let's see, the person is speaking English language, is he able to speak, is he better than me or I am better than him. There are many people who compare themselves with others. Let's see how he is speaking and how I'm speaking. If he is able to speak better than me, then I need to practice more. Then I need to practice more than him or more than any person who is speaking better than me. So people just compare. The people who are recording their videos, the people who are uploading their videos on YouTube, and the people who are watching those videos, they compare that, let us see how many people are speaking on YouTube and they are recording videos. And the people they compare themselves with others. So many people who just watch those videos, they just watch to see the level of English language, the level of those English, and the level of their own English language, that how the people who are listening, how those people are speaking, and how the people who are recording their videos, how they are speaking. So they just compare with other people, like how those people are speaking. My motive to record this video is make me confident, to make me think how I can speak, how long I can speak, continuously. I really want to know about myself, how long I can speak. So many people think that, let us see the person who is speaking English language, how many times he's taking pause and how many mistakes he's making. So I'm just learning, and I'm just through this YouTube channel I'm just improving my English language. You know what happens actually, we just record our videos. The people who watch, a few people who watch our videos, they just first of all they check their English language. That first of all they check the people who speak on YouTube, they check those English, whatever the person is speaking, and he's recording his video, he's uploading on YouTube, and the people who listen his English language, they just check first of all how he is speaking, and then they think that now our English is better than him and we should give him advice, like first of all try to improve your English language, then come YouTube. So they just show us our mistakes. The people who watch our videos, they show us our mistakes. So because of those things I can improve my English language as well. I mean, and now some of the people may be thinking about that he doesn't have any type of other method to improve his English language. So what kind of things he's doing? He's uploading his video without knowing that how to speak fluently, but still he's recording, he's uploading on YouTube. See my friend, I am just learning here, and I am just showing the people that how I'm improving myself, how I'm improving my English language day by day. And I'm facing challenges. I'm facing that how to speak every single day something new, how to talk to the people, how to speak with yourself. So I just want to say one thing, that face challenges. If you are unable to do something, do that work, and let us see what happens. People will criticize you, people will taunt you, people will make you fun, they will make you understand that no, it is your mistake, it is you are doing this, you are doing that. Improve yourself. That thing we actually want to improve, that whatever people are showing us that it is your mistake, then we realize that it is our mistake, and then we improve ourselves. The point is that just evolve something, do something unique. Why we are underprivileged, why we are living the same life, why we are not facing the challenges, why we are not doing something extraordinary? Do something unique. I know nowadays no one thinks about me, no one thinks like the person who is speaking, he's not better at English language, he doesn't have a clear topics, he doesn't have good thoughts as well, and he is speaking English language and he is just recording and he's uploading as well. My friend, after some time, what I believe in myself, I believe that one day something must be changed, and I will change. I will be able to speak English language. After some time I will be the person who I want to be. Nowadays I'm making a lot of mistakes, but after some time I know that I believe one day I will become the person who I want to become. And with this belief, no one believes me, no one thinks about it that this person can do something, or he's doing these kind of things, recording his videos, uploading, and how he is speaking, he's poor at English language, he doesn't know anything, he doesn't have knowledge about. Let it be. Let me do whatever I'm doing, and let me improve myself. And every single day I am just filling the affirmations, I'm filling the informations, I'm filling the knowledge in my mind, I'm filling the good things that you can do something and you will do. So this belief, or this belief and belief, these both things are propelling me towards my goal. Propels means aage badhana, it's called propel. Okay, the people who don't have knowledge about, I'm going to talk about, because before some time when I used to watch these type of videos, no one used to tell the Hindi meaning, and I used to go to Gemini or translation to translate that same thing. Then again I used to go to YouTube to watch the video again, and if someone used to use again any other vocabulary, then again I used to go to go to that Gemini to translate. So that's why I'm just sharing with you the meaning, the people who don't have knowledge about the meaning about Propel. So that's why I was talking about. Now some of the people may be saying that how long time he's taking by talking about these things, and some of the people may be appreciating that he's trying again. So my friend, some of the people may be thinking that he was talking about repetition and he forgot the repetition. He's started his journey. So I hope this video will be little bit motivational and helpful for you. Thank you for watching.